Silence. It absence. It's control. Most people speak because they're afraid of being misunderstood. Power doesn't have that problem. When something is real, it doesn't rush explanation. It allows time to do the work. Noise is how people chase relevance. Silence is how systems confirm it. We don't announce moves. We let alignment reveal them. This isn't restraint for appearance. It's restraint for scale. If you understand this, nothing else needs to be said. Pause 2 seconds. End. Silence isn't absence. It's control. Most people speak because they're afraid of being misunderstood.